What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. So this key fob is going to be for the Toyota vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. And if we notice there's a little bit of a lip on this key, I'm not sure how well the camera's picking that up, but we're actually going to use this key to open the case. If we hold it with the buttons facing down and we look at the area where this key just came out of, we see this slot right here. What we're going to do is push the key, the emergency key, in that slot, and then we're going to twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. So push it in that slot, make sure it's all the way in, and then rotate. And as you do, you'll see it open the case. Go ahead and pull the back cover off. And now we can see our battery right here. And you can use this key again just to get under the edge of the battery and get it up out of the holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Snap it into place like that. Make sure this circuit board is sitting in this rubber piece. Make sure it's seating all the way in there. And then go ahead and snap the back cover on. Put our emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.